Hey guys, how's it going? So with the new Spider-Man Far From Home movie coming out, I thought it'd be cool to show you guys how to draw one of the main characters, Mysterio. So to start off with Mysterio, we are going to begin with his head. So we don't really see much of his head, it's just kind of in this big glass helmet. So I'm going to start off up here at the top of my paper, and I'm just going to make a curved line like this for the top of his head. Then I'm going to take this line and curve it down a little bit more. Then I'm just going to go in and then down a little bit. And then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down at an angle and then comes in a little bit at an angle. Then I'm going to draw this line out a little farther and then just draw it down a little bit. Then I'm going to take this line and draw it down a little bit as well. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves down and comes back up like this. And then I'm just going to connect this line right here. And then I'm going to connect this line right here. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down and comes back up. And then over here, I'm going to make kind of like a diamond shape. Then right here, I'm going to draw a couple bumps for his cape. And then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves out, and then a couple more lines back here for the other part of his cape. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes out and comes back a little bit for his chest. And then I'm just going to continue this line down till I get right about there. Now I want to work on one of his hands over here. So right up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up at an angle. And then it's going to come down and over like this. Then it's going to come down and go over like that. Then right here, I'm going to draw a thumb. Then I'm going to add one finger right here. Draw a little curved line, just so I have a guide for my other fingers. Then draw another finger there. Another one here. And then a little pinky right there. And then I'm just going to connect this into here and add a little extra line like that. Okay, next what I want to do is I want to add the other hand over here. So starting right here under the cape, I'm just going to draw a little curved line where his shoulder would be. And then I'm just going to connect this line and go down and then over like this, just to add another little part of his suit. So then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves down and comes back up. And then over here, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that kind of comes down and then back up like this. Then I'm going to make another line that comes back like that. Then I'm going to draw another line over here that goes up like this. I want this hand to look like it's coming at us, like it's a lot closer. Now right here, I'm going to draw a thumb like this. And then a line that goes up, over, and then kind of bends right there for one finger. Then kind of bring it down. Then I'm going to draw another line like this for the other finger. A line that goes over like this for another one. and then one that goes down like this for the pinky. Then I'm going to make a couple curved lines in here for the palm of the hand. And then I'm just going to draw a little triangle shape like this. And then I'm just going to make a little pattern that goes around just to show a little dimension on this little like wrist guard right here. Then I'm going to put a little hook here and draw around here and then add another little hook right there. I'll add a little line right here on top of this hand. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in and then down for the back of his body. Then I'm just going to bring this line down a little bit and bring it in at like a V shape and end it right about there. Now over here at this glove, I'm going to add a little hook and draw a little line around there. And then I'll draw a little pattern around here and throw a little line down. So next what I want to do is I want to add his legs. So to do this, I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that comes down and around like this. Then I'm going to add another line that just kind of curves right down here like that for his other leg. Then I'm just going to continue this line down, kind of curve it in like that. Then I'm going to come over here and bring this line in just a bit. Add a little bump for his knee. And then just draw a line that comes down. Then I'm going to go in, draw a line out for his calf, and then bring it down. Then over here, I'm going to make a little shape like this for his other knee. Draw a line that goes out and in a little bit. Do the same thing on the back for his calf. And then I'm just going to draw a shape like this for one foot. And then I'm going to make a shape that goes down and comes around for the other foot. Now, let's draw his cape. So starting back up here at this line that I drew for it, I'm going to just continue it right here. And then I'm going to pop it out from right here, curve in, go out, and then right there. Then I'm going to continue it right here. And then I'm just going to make it go out, down, and then back up like that. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves in and then out, and then it's going to go like this. Then I'm going to make another line that curves in, comes back out, like that. Then I'm going to start right here and draw a line that curves down and up, and then comes back like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down to here just to show that his cape is kind of flowing. Then I'm going to draw a little line around here, just to show some more movement. I'll add a couple little extra lines around here. Just show a little bit more movement on his cape. Now for a few details on his suit, I'm going to start right here and just make a little line that kind of curves around like this. And I'll add another little piece right there for that side. Then he's got a little line that goes all the way down towards his knee. And then it's actually going to go around his knee. And then down a little bit. Then it's just going to run right into where his shoe would be. You can add a little curved line right there. Then over here on this one, I'm just going to add a little line that curves down, and then another one. Have it run into the knee, and then curve out. And then just curve like that. Then I'm also going to put an extra little line right here for part of his suit. And he also has another little line that just kind of comes down and around like this on his suit. Then up here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a little box inside each one of these. Just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mysterio from the new Spider-Man Far From Home. Now this one's much more like the comic book version, and it's going to look a lot different from the movie, but just gives you an idea on how to draw him. So I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.